Your home's doors do much more than provide an entry point. They protect your family, improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and contribute to your home's overall value. In Knoxville, where seasonal weather shifts from humid summers to chilly winters, choosing and installing the right replacement door is especially important. Unfortunately, many homeowners make avoidable mistakes during the door replacement process, mistakes that can lead to higher costs, reduced performance, and long-term frustration. Here are the most common door replacement mistakes Knoxville homeowners should avoid. Choosing the wrong door for East Tennessee's climate. Knoxville's climate brings high humidity, heavy rain, and fluctuating temperatures. Selecting a door based solely on appearance can lead to warping, swelling, or poor insulation performance. For example, certain wood doors may struggle in humid conditions without proper sealing, while lower-quality steel doors may rust over time. Before choosing a replacement door, consider materials that are durable and energy efficient in Tennessee's climate. Fiberglass and insulated steel doors are often strong options because they resist moisture and provide better thermal performance. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Energy efficiency isn't just about windows. An outdated or poorly insulated door can allow drafts, driving up heating and cooling costs. Many homeowners focus on style and price but overlook important features like insulated cores, proper weather stripping, and ENERGY STAR ratings. A high-quality door with proper insulation can help maintain indoor comfort year-round, reducing strain on your HVAC system. In a region like Knoxville, where summers can be hot and winters surprisingly cold, energy efficiency should be a top priority. Incorrect measurements. One of the biggest and most expensive mistakes is inaccurate measurements. A door that doesn't fit properly can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and structural issues. Even being slightly off can cause gaps that compromise security and efficiency. Professional installers take precise measurements of the door frame, rough opening, and surrounding structure to ensure a perfect fit. Rushing this step or relying on rough estimates can result in costly adjustments later. Overlooking professional installation. Some homeowners attempt DIY door replacement to save money. While this may seem like a cost-effective solution, improper installation can lead to misalignment, sticking, poor sealing, and long-term damage to the frame. A door must be level, plumb, and square to function correctly. It also needs proper flashing and sealing to prevent water damage. In Knoxville's rainy seasons, improper installation can quickly lead to rot or mold around the doorway. Investing in professional installation ensures the door operates smoothly and maintains its performance for years. Forgetting about security features. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense. Choosing a door without strong locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, or impact-resistant materials can leave your home vulnerable. Look for doors with solid cores, high-quality deadbolts, multi-point locking systems, and reinforced strike plates. Modern door options combine security with style, so there's no need to sacrifice appearance for safety. Focusing only on the door slab. Replacing just the door slab without addressing the frame can create problems if the existing frame is damaged or out of square. In many cases, especially with older Knoxville homes, frames may have settled or deteriorated over time. A full pre-hung door replacement, which includes both the door and the frame, often provides better long-term performance and ensures a proper seal. Not matching the home's style. Your front door significantly impacts curb appeal. Choosing a door that clashes with your home's architecture can reduce visual harmony and even affect resale value. Whether you live in a classic craftsman-style home in North Knoxville or a modern build in West Knoxville, select a door design, color, and hardware that complement your home's character. Make the right choice for your home. Door replacement is an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and value. By avoiding these common mistakes and working with experienced professionals, Knoxville homeowners can enjoy a door that looks great, performs efficiently, and stands up to East Tennessee's changing weather. Taking the time to choose the right materials, ensure precise measurements, and prioritize proper installation will save you money and stress in the long run, while giving your home the upgrade it deserves.